Hello, good morning students. So welcome back on my YouTube channel Math Mentor. So today I am going to discuss the very important lesson, that is graph of trigonometric function. So by using graph of trigonometric function, we can define very easily the domain and range of trigonometric function. So we know very well that is about trigonometric function. There are 6 trigonometric function: sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, sec x and cosec x. So let us see the first equation, that is y is equal to sin x. So this is the first function, y is equal to sin x. Now we can find the different values of y by corresponding values of x by using the table. So this is the table, horizontal table. In first row, the x, that is, actually x is always angle, the angle measured in radian. So here center is 0, then pi by 2, right side pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, 5 pi by 2, and 3 pi, 5 pi by 2 and 3 pi. So all the values of x in the first row, that is the angles measured in radian, because this position for the angle x is always angle in measured in radian. So left hand side the negative values, that is minus pi by 2, this is plus minus pi, this is minus 3 pi by 2, sufficient इतना ही, 2 pi minus 2 pi, this is minus 5 pi by 2, this is minus 5 pi by 2, and this is minus 3 pi, and we can find the values of y corresponding to values of x. So y is equal to sin x, this is the first trigonometric function. देखो इससे हम क्या होता है कि बहुत ही इजीली इसको फॉरएवर अंडरस्टैंड रहेगा कि what is the domain of sin x, what is the range of sin x, what is the domain of sin cos, tan, sec, cosec, cot and their range by using this graph. Okay, so we must know the different sin n pi. Sin n pi की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 0 होती है. n is any integer. Sin n pi is always 0. So here x की जगह पर pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, minus 2 pi, minus 3 pi, all values are 0. By using this formula, sin 0 is also 0, 2 pi and 3 pi. This first row is the domain of the function. Domain is a real number when we are talking about trigonometric function. So real number and the angles measured in radian are to be same, are to be considered same. That is the domain. So domain is r. So sin pi by 2, sin pi by 2 की वैल्यू कितनी होती है? 1 होती है, sin pi by 2. Now sin 3 pi by 2, sin 3 pi by 2 का हम क्या करेंगे? sin pi plus pi by 2, sin pi plus pi by 2. So in third quadrant sign is negative, sin pi by 2 is minus sin pi by 2, minus sin pi by 2, so it is minus 1. So this value becomes minus 1. Now we have to find sin 5 pi by 2. sin 5 pi by 2 को हम ऐसे करेंगे, 2 pi plus pi by 2, 2 pi plus pi by 2. In 2 pi plus means in the first quadrant sign is positive, so it is a sin pi by 2. So this is a 1, sin 5 pi by 2 is 1. Now let us see the negative values of sine. So we know the formula for negative angle of sine. Sine of minus theta is minus sine theta. So sine of minus pi by 2 is minus sine pi by 2, that becomes minus 1. Sine of minus 3 pi by 2, that becomes minus sine 3 pi by 2, minus plus 1. Sine of 5 pi by 2, sine of minus 5 pi by 2 is minus sine 5 pi by 2, that is minus 1. This is the table which gives the different values of y by the corresponding values of x. Now let us draw the graph of sin x. So the graph draw करना बहुत ही simple process है. So this is a horizontal line is x axis, vertical line is y axis, their intersection is 0. Origin उसे origin कहते हैं. To the right side always positive values, that is plus pi by 2, plus pi, plus 3 pi by 2, plus 2 pi, plus 5 pi by 2. This is 3 pi. Similarly to the left hand side, negative values, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi, minus 5 pi by 2, and last is, that is minus 3 pi. Okay, so on x-axis means the domain of the function, domain of the trigonometric function, that is sin x. So this is a domain, right side positive value, left side negative value. This is x-axis, this is the y-axis. So let us observe the maximum value of y is plus 1, minimum value of y is minus 1. So here will be plus 1 and here will be what? Minus 1. So y-axis is the range of the function, x-axis is the domain of the function. So range is minus 1 to plus 1 in the closed interval, and domain is the what? Domain is the real number. So this when we are talking about trigonometric function, these angles measured in radian are as a real number, consider as a real number, that is to be same real number. Okay, so let us see sin 0 is 0, sin pi by 2 is 1, sin pi is 0, sin 3 pi by 2 is minus 1, sin 2 pi is 0, sin 5 pi by 2 is 1, sin 3 pi is 0. To the left hand side, sin of minus pi by 2 is minus 1, here is minus 1, here is 0, sin of minus pi is 0, sin of minus 3 pi by 2 is 1, sin of 2 pi is 0, sin of minus 2 pi is 0, sin of minus 5 pi by 2 is minus 1, minus 1, sin of minus 3 pi is 0. Okay, now let us connect this point. This will be the graph of first trigonometric function, that is y is equal to sin x. Some points should be remembered for y is equal to sin x, graph of y is equal to sin x. This curve is passing through the origin. This is important point. And this curve is continuous curve. Continuous means without any gap, without any break. This curve is continuous curve. This curve is passing through the origin, and सबसे important, this curve is repeated within the interval 2 pi. So ये 2 pi का जो interval repeated है, इसके बाद same ऐसा ही होगा, same. So it is repeated within the interval 2 pi. So first of all, define the domain. So remember, domain is a x-axis, that is r. R is the set of real number. These are the real number when trigonometric function is defined. Range, this is domain. Now range is the values on y-axis. So values on y-axis minus 1 to plus 1. So close interval minus 1 to plus 1, minus 1 to plus 1. So point should be remember here for y is equal to sin x is continuous curve. continuous curve passing through the origin, passing through the origin. And third important point, curve is repeated within the interval 2 pi. So these 3 points should be remembered forever. So of y is equal to sin x, this is the equation form of the function. Y is equal to sin x, x is the angle measured in radian. When we are talking about trigonometric function, then so angles measured in radian are to be same as real numbers. So this is the domain and this is the range. So here range is the -1 to +1, -1 to +1. In closed interval -1 to +1, and the domain is set of real number. So this is the domain and range of function y is equal to sin x. So this is a like waves. This curve is passing through the origin. origin से पास होता है, कहीं पर भी गैप नहीं है, ब्रेक नहीं है. सो दिस इज अ कंटिन्यूअस कर्व. और ये जो इंटरवल है, ये जो रिपीटेड पार्ट है 0 to 2 pi, ये सेम यहाँ से आगे आपको मिलेगा. सो दिस कर्व इज रिपीटेड within the interval 2 pi. So this is all about the graph of y is equal to sin x. Okay, so thank you very much. In next video we'll see the graph of y is equal to cos x. So stay tuned on the YouTube channel Math Mentor.